Hi, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign.
To knit the Mura blanket square, you'll need about 65 yards of worsted weight yarn and a 4.5 millimeter US size 7 knitting needles.
The stitch multiple for this stitch pattern is 7 plus 6 to get started.
Okay, to knit this 8 by 8 inch blanket square, you're going to cast on 34. You can use any cast on method you like. I'll link up some video tutorials for you in the description.
Once you've cast on for row 1, we are going to knit all across. Okay, and then turn your work. For row 2, we are going to start our stitch pattern. So we will knit the first 6 stitches. Then purl 1 and knit the next 6 stitches. Then we'll repeat that across. Purl 1 and knit the next 6 stitches.
Repeat that across for all stitches.
I'm just doing a small swatch here. Okay, so when you finish row 2, you'll end with the 6 knits and then turn your work. And for row 3, we are going to be knitting across. Row 3 and all the odd number rows are going to be your right side. So you're always going to knit across the front, the right side of your work. Okay, so for row 4, we'll start with knit 2. Then we'll start a repeat of purl 2, knit 5. Keep repeating purl 2, knit 5 across until you only have 4 stitches left in your row. When you have 4 stitches left, purl 2, knit 2 to finish the row. Okay, and then turn your work, and we are on the right side of our work. So for row 5, we are going to knit all across. Turn your work, and we are ready for row 6. We are working on the wrong side, and we are doing a repeat of row 2, which starts with knit 6, then we'll repeat across, purl 1, knit 6, all the way across to the end. Okay, and then turn your work, and the next row is row 7, which means we're on the right side, and we will knit across all. Okay, turn your work, and our last row is row 8, and this is the only row that we are going to purl all the way across. Okay, row 8 completes one repeat. So now you're going to repeat rows 1 through 8.
For 8 repeats, or until your blanket square measures 8 inches tall.
Now it's time to bind off. Knit 1. We're using the basic bind off here. So we'll knit 1 and then we'll knit a second stitch. Then we will use our left needle to pull the first stitch we knit over the second one, and that binds off one stitch. Pull it up a little so it's not so tight. Knit the next one, pull the one loop you have on there first over the second one, and just keep binding off across the row until all your stitches are bound off.